Whoa! Day 2!
Oh wow, that's really deep. No, why you go so slow? Go fast.
No, I'm like a boat.
Where's that dead bird? You are like a boat. You're making all these ripples. Look back. Oh, here, Tyler. Tyler, look. It's right here.
Bird?
Yeah. Oh wow, dead bird. Ew.
That means it's a baby one.
Yeah. How did it just come down here?
I know. Maybe it was flying there, and then the car hit it, and then it flew all the way and went here.
Go faster, man. I hear the bird over there. Oh wow, hey, this bird is attacking you, look. What is it doing? Okay, I dare you to go really fast and make a huge splash.
No.
Come on.
When I pedal, and when my foot is down here, the water sprays on my foot.
Okay, fine. Pedal really quickly, and when you reach the water, put your feet up. Yeah, it works. So can you go really quickly and then do a leg up on when you come here, so I have a nice thumbnail.
It'll get me all wet.
When you put your leg up, it's not gonna be wet.
Well, it goes all the way up here.
What? Seriously?
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Yes, it does.
Try it. I want to see
I
it.
just did it.
Oh, what?
I'm not doing it.
Okay, fine. Beautiful.
How about that?
Yeah, that was really cool. Thanks. Oh, there's a bird nest in there, Tyler. There's a bird nest. He's trying to attack you. So there's a bird nest in there, eh? Maybe that's his baby bird.
Where?
In that tree right there. Look, he's trying to say, go away, bird.
Where?
Go away, human. See, there's birds in there. Look, there's a whole bunch of birds in that tree. Whoa. Oh, there's birds everywhere, man. I don't think this bird wants us to be near here. A bird right there, he's peeing on the wall. Yeah. Whoa, oh, look, Tyler. These are baby birds. These are babies, they're just learning how to fly. Some of them died over there by the water. This is their nest. That's why he's like barking at me, like, get away. There's one up there on that building, and this one is flying over here. I hope they don't poop on me. What are you doing? But, okay. Well, not here. See, there's baby bird. Whoa. Whoa, what are you doing? He doesn't like that we're around its nest. See, there's a baby bird in here. That's why some of these fell over to the water and died. See? One of them is in here. Dude, this guy's really angry. Uh-oh, the mother and father's coming. Wow, so many birds here. Baby bird.
He's so fat.
No, his hair hasn't been grown in yet. So if you try to scare it, it will poop, eh? I saw it pooped on the way flying over here. Hey, don't attack. Don't attack. See, he's learning how to fly. Okay, jeez, this bird. Oh wow, Tyler, come see this. This egg here used to be on that tree, and I guess some of them didn't survive, and it dropped and break and die. What do we do? Too many cars today, guys. Look.
Hi.
Hey, can you see yourself? And Tyler just want to bike on this Ram area, but no, too busy. Too many cars.
Soon as they're gonna go away.
Huh?
Soon as they're gonna go away.
Yeah. Oh, don't face plant, please. Jeez. Tyler doesn't feel good today, guys. He's sick. Look at this guy.
We're in the trunk.
It's comfy, guy.
We're in the trunk.
Tyler just relaxing. Have you? Nice view, Tyler. You look comfy. What? What are you doing?
And like we will do this. Jump.
Yeah. Oh, like 360, you mean? Right?
I didn't do vroom vroom.
Okay. Whoa! Ready?